you're going to propose a new main image with packaging in it that shows his brand name. Because guess what? The hijackers
Hijackers.
can't do that. What Amazon problem can I assist you with?
Yeah, so basically it's more of a client problem. It started only as a PPC only client. We are handling, this is a transfer client, by the way, US and Canada only. Right now, he upgraded to PPC only for UK and UAE, and then full service in the US. My main roadblock for this account is that the client keeps on making changes without informing us. Like, for example, this is his top ASIN, and then he updated the title to this one.
Why do you think a client would do that? Don't talk about this client specifically, but why in general would a client make changes without informing its agency?
He mentioned that he's not really happy with the sales that is going on, and then he is also suffering with a lot of resellers and hijackers on his account. He doesn't have a design trademark, so he was not able to remove those resellers using the same design or image that he's using with his top seller. So he made some changes on the title, hoping that it would help to increase the sales. He also dropped the selling price to 60%. He has trademark, but no design trademark.
You don't need a design trademark. Does he have a logo mark?
He does.
Here's the next step. You're going to propose a new main image with packaging in it that shows his brand name. Because guess what? The hijackers can't do that. I'll demonstrate this for you, what that would look like. You see these main images and how the brand packaging can be seen, and it says Age of Sage like that.
Yes.
You could do this with a variety of different ways. Like, you don't actually have to send the branded package. So like this, on this shot right here, we photoshopped that. We did not actually change the packaging. So if you could get a white box that follows this format onto the main image, the hijackers will be scared off because they don't have branded packaging. When the person that you're working with adds this and they still have hijackers, they can then file a report that the hijackers don't have the packaging, right? He could place orders and he could take a screenshot and say, here's what I received, but here's what the listing shows. They don't have this. And again, they don't have to actually update the packaging. Now, after this succeeds, what should the manufacturer do? He should update the packaging. But for now, just to solve the immediate problem, you could just have them add a packaging shot underneath, right? So you could take the bottom half of this photo, let the product go over the top of the packaging, and just simply show Cruckle's brand name on the packaging. And then you could add a keyword as well, which will also upgrade the main image and also improve CTR. And you could write on there butterfly earrings or butterfly flower earrings plus Cruckle's brand name.
I'm going to request Shane's approval for this because they don't have a design.
Main image doesn't really cost us that much. Go ahead and do that without any approval. And then tell them, like, hey, this one's on us, but if you want more, we need to upgrade to a design tier so we can take care of this on more of your listings. But the other thing you could do is be like, look, instead of decreasing your price, just sell smarter and use MAG and we'll help.